But what's good, YouTube, bro? It's the kid tapping in with another video. So we got a little vlog, as y'all can see. A nigga at the court and shit.
I'm talking about here.
Everybody finna lace up.
Oh, bro, you can put a good KDs.
How much for the shoes? How much for the shoes?
Shit, I can't speak on them. You feel me? That's too much money.
Too much money. How much for the shoes?
I ain't gonna lie. I beat my little brother ass and took his shit. He's his hoes.
How much for the shoes?
97. I got him from Sarah.
Bro, you know what I'm saying? This was like a smooth like 500.
500?
Yeah,
oh my God.
Wow, I love gold, twin. This the fit. Alright, we finna get right.
Oh shit! Bitch ass nigga. I still can't shoot though. This nigga really. Want the shot? Want the shot?
Oh my God.
What the fuck? That's me. I don't care.
Nah.
I made that. Bitch, you ain't score. That is score. No, he did. Shit, damn, that was a crazy. Oh my God. Shit, I got to this ball. Nigga. Damn, Mike. What are you doing? No, he scored from all the fucking free throws. How many you got? I got 6. I don't know. You got 5. You got 5. Oh shit! What the
Lights just turned off, vlog. Long story short, I just ran out of gas fucking with these niggas. She just saved it.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
This nigga look like a Roblox character.
Run from that bitch. Oh, run from that bitch. Yeah.
But yeah, we finna get good Whataburger. I'm not eating that shit because I don't like Whataburger, but yeah, that's the vibes though. We just.
Oh shit! I got a 6.7 liter V12 in there.
Diesel.
Diesel.
What the fuck is that, bro? What that shit say? We made it to the gas station, finna get some gas. Goddamn, we made it, bro. I ran out of fucking gas. This nigga in a big body, goddamn. What the fuck is that?
Oh no. That's a Purple Rain, motherfucker.
This nigga in his big ass Durango. This nigga in his big ass Mitsubishi. This nigga in his big ass Jetta. This nigga in his big ass. Bro, why your wig? I ain't gonna lie. The way this bitch slushing. God. Ooh, Lord. It's a couple days later. Like, it's a lot of days later. And we got spare time right now finna bowl, but.
What's ass nigga?
Man down.
I'm gonna 20 kills. Hold on. I just
That
got
nigga still in this bitch.
I need 1 kill. I'm done. I don't give a fuck. What's happening? Oh shit! Bitch! Oh shit! Kill him! Working that bitch. Oh shit! Oh shit! For where?
Oh, that's help?
No, that's not hell. That's emerald.
Niggas finally lacing up. End of this shit. I'ma be at the top. Reaper.
Show me something, Mike. Oh shit!
Damn, nigga, what the fuck?
Oh shit!
Cut it off.
Oh shit! Oh!
I'm drunk, bro.
Ah, fuck.
Oh shit!
Hey, let me get out there.
Oh shit!
Oh my God. He missed.
No, he didn't. Oh, he hit that home.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
What the fuck? Come on. Oh my Lord, it's over.
Hey, chill.
It's over, bro.
Gotta walk some down. Oh shit! Oh shit!
We gonna see if he redeemed himself. This nigga got one. That boy over there striking them bitches. He's striking them bitches. Oh my God, this nigga trying to come back.
I know.
Nah, I should already pay for it. Oh, he just need to choose.
Yeah.
Fuck, bro, he's strong, nigga. He be in the weight room. What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Oh, this nigga saved me.
Okay.
I was asking this shit.
They thought you was ass twin?
I was asking this shit. He still ass on bro.
Oh shit! Oh shit! My nigga ain't come to play.
He asked me to eat.
He said this is strike, bro. You missed one.
No, I can't stop playing with me,
What
nigga.
the fuck? But the game on right now, I ain't even mad. He said this for KD. This for KD. Oh shit. He said this is striker. Y'all see this go 76. He got 51. He said it's a strike. Oh Lord. I gotta make this shit short. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Damn, I fucked up.
That's Apple Watch. Watch this.
Is that knockdown? Oh shit! Okay. Last hit, nigga. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, nigga guttered that bitch. Okay. Twin. No pressure though.
I just pound shit down, nigga. 134. Them niggas ain't even touch triple digits. Let me run that shit back.
You can't do that rock, but let him work.
Fuck KD.
The fuck? He's on the game. Bro, why you? What the fuck are y'all doing? This old ass nigga. Oh yeah, 1-2. Oh, hell no. You're not doing that on KD.
We finna run this bitch back out this morning.
I'm gonna hit every pin, nigga. That was the corner. I'm gonna walk some down. Oh shit!
Oh my God.
I don't wanna play no more, bro.
Second game, I'm starting off with 9. There you go. game over, bro. Lakers won. Lakers won. It's over. It's over. Yeah, it's over. I won, bro. This shit was $8. I won the second game. This nigga ain't I won the second game?
Yeah.
This nigga restart that bitch before I can get that bitch. That bitch good. My shit was on low exposure. Yes, sir, please. He camera shy. He camera shy. He camera shy. God. Damn. Shit. Oh my God. Ooh. Gotta get a striker, twin.
Boy, you gotta hit all
9, 10, 11,
you gotta get a
12.
striker, yeah. You gotta get a striker.
This for game, twin.
Come on, 3-1. LeBron James, nigga.
LeBron. Did I win? I won. Oh, it's over. I won. I won again. Phil, how you feel losing 3 times, bro? Y'all not gonna beat me, bro. Y'all not gonna beat me, bro.
I'm serious, so I wanna get fined.
Yeah, it's like a couple minutes left. Shit. We probably gonna end it. I might end this video when I get home, but this is the final result. I won game 4. We just gonna say that. I won that bitch.
I just got at that bitch.
Yeah, it's over. I'm over here editing the video right now. I realize I ain't made no outro, so this gonna be the outro. Y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. You know what to do, fam. I see y'all boys next week. I got a video dropping every week. I made myself a promise. I'ma drop every week, so we gonna get to this shit, man. Even though I ain't making no chicken from this shit, I ain't making no type of money from YouTube right now. That's great though. We gonna drop though. Be consistent on this shit, and that's the goal. Feel me? Get that chicken. But yeah, y'all boys do that. Feel me? See y'all boys next week. Lee.